Hello everyone, my name is Haru I am from Chiba, Japan. I am 13 years old. My favorite sport is soccer. My favorite colors are red, blue, black, and white. My favorite food is spaghetti. My favorite fruits are orange, mango. My hobby is to watch movies and play video games. Today I will talk about what I want to be in the future. I want to be a doctor in my future because I want to help sick people and heal them. The second reason is to make a medicine that can cure a lot of sick. I am studying hard to reach my dream job. I am studying English very hard to reach my dream job. Thank you for listening to my speech. Have a good day.